So in this tutorial we are going to add a HTML student template in our Laravel project. Okay, so there is a lot of website where you can download a HTML template, and I am going to download a template from this website template emo, and I will be giving this link in the description so that you can check it out. And here you will find a lot of free template over here, and we are going to use this template which I showed you before. And there is also another restaurant template over here, you can use that as well. So if you want to download this template, you just have to click it, and you will be able to see how the template looks. And if you go down, you will see some option over here, live view download option. And if you want to download it, just click download, and it will download a zip file like this. Okay, so our template is downloaded, so just click over here and then click show in folder. So here you can see this is the template that we just downloaded, and let's just copy it, and let's go to YouTube, and let's just paste it over here. And we first need to extract this template, so just right click on the mouse and click extract here. So here you can see the template over here. Just go inside this folder and just copy those 4 files from here, copy it, and after that we need to go to our project, which is this one, restaurant, and then public folder, and over here we need to paste those files, Control V. So here you can see that I just pasted all this file. Okay, so now we will go to our code. Let's close this one. We'll go to our code, and then we'll click file, and then here you can see that all those files that we just pasted in the public folder. Okay, so now let's go to resource, then views, and over here we'll create a new file over here. So just click right click and then new file, and let's over here home.plate.php. so save it, Ctrl S, save. Okay, so what we are going to do is that we are going to copy everything from this index.html from this public folder. So Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and paste everything in our home.blade.php, Ctrl V. Okay, so now let's save it, Ctrl S. So we are going to view this home.blade.php in our browser. So for this first we'll create a controller. So let's open another CMD over here. Let's say over here CMD and press enter. And for creating controller, we just need to say php artisan make controller and the controller name. Let's our controller name will be home controller, and press enter. It will create a controller. So you can see over here controller created successfully. So if you go to app, then http, then controllers, here you can see home controller. Okay, so now we need to go to route and then web.php, and over here we'll just say over here route get, and then we need to sorry and over here we say slash home, comma, we need to write our controller name, which is home controller, then this sign. After that we'll say class, and then a comma, and we have to write this sign, and over here we need to give a name. Let's say the name will be index. So first of all we need to create this index function in this home controller, but before that we need to add the controller over here. So we'll say use app app backslash http backslash controllers backslash home controller. Okay, so now we'll go to our home controller, and over here we'll create this index function. So for it we'll say public function index, and then inside it we'll just say return view home. So I'll explain it. What will happen is that whenever we write slash home in the browser, then it will go to home controller, sorry, C will be capital, home controller home controller index function, and home controller index function will send us to this home view. Okay, so let's save it everywhere and let's go to our browser, and let's just say over here slash home and press enter. Okay, there is a error app. Okay, I think the error is that we need to give it capital A. Okay, so that was the error, and here you can see that we are able to successfully import the template in our Laravel project. Okay, so in the next tutorial we will add login and registration system in our Laravel project. Okay.